Good morning, everyone. Can you believe that Grandma's out here at the crack of dawn today to shoot this video? I can't wait to do it. I was so excited about doing this Flamingo Tablescape for the end of summer. Oh my gosh. Let's come in and see what I have. Straighten out my flamingo was falling over. Aren't they cute? Now, I thought this turned out really, really cute. I've been wanting to do this for some time, and I was saving up all my pieces. Next year, I will have some flamingo napkins I did not have this time. But, you know, we can't get everything every day. Now, hard to believe when I tell you the cost of what I have here. I went to Dollar Tree and I got these cute mugs about a month ago. I've had them a while. And let's see if I can show what it looks like. There it is. Hell Summer. Yay! And aren't the flamingos so cute? And they're all the way around. I found, okay, let's stay with what I found at Dollar Tree. I have two of these cups, one here, and one over here, so that was $2. Let's go over here, and I got two of these flamingos, another $2. They were $1 a piece. That was probably the most expensive thing I had to buy for what I got. Okay, and let's see, oh, the tablecloth. I got this beautiful tablecloth, and as you can see, it's summer theme with flamingos all around it too. Ice creams and ocean, by the ocean, just everything to do with summer. Okay, so that was $4, and I got that at, where did I buy it at? Shoot, can't remember now. Anyway, it was $4. It's $3.99. Marshall's, that's where I got it, at Marshall's. Now, we're not counting the beautiful flowers, and I got those at Marshall's too, and believe it or not, it was the same day, but I took pictures of it in a video a while back, so we aren't counting any of that. These were from a previous video and post, so no cost for that. And of course, this flamingo is my personal flamingo from my home, so it's no cost for that. It's for when the grandkids come over. The placemats I got at Hobby Lobby on a clearance sale, I think for about $2 a piece, and I got a pair of them. The napkins I got a while back, and that's written off. The plates are from, I think they're both from Dollar Tree, but they're from quite a few months back, so there's no cost. And of course, this is my personal silverware. The corrugated pieces here, the big trays from Marshall's, but it's from last summer, and the one with all the tea and sugar in it is also from, I could be wrong, I think from Marshall's, but I could be wrong. I can't really remember where I bought it. But they're from last summer, so, you know, Grandma's old. She can't remember everything. So, what did we end up spending for this tablescape? We got the two mugs, that's $2. And the two flamingos is $2, so that makes it $4. This is a $4 tablescape. How good is that? Everything else I already had. No, shoot, I'm wrong. $8, because I forgot the tablecloth. So we have $8, but even $8 for a tablescape is not bad. That included everything you see on this table, everything else I already owned or had. So we are happy with this cost, $8. I hope you enjoyed this post, my awesome friends and family. Don't forget, my channel is designed for adults only, interested in gardening, home decor, cooking, cleaning, shopping hauls, anything else Grandma can come up with. You know, Grandma's always coming up with something new. We even did some road trips this month. So, Thank you very much for stopping by, my awesome family. Kisses and hugs if you finished to the very end. We love you so much and we appreciate all your love and support for our channel. Bye bye for now. Don't forget, we always put something new up all the time. I hope you come back and see what else we have